how to turn on free mode on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on free mode on Facebook. So let's dive right in. First off, what is free mode? Free mode allows you to use Facebook without data charges, making it easier for everyone to stay connected, especially in areas with limited internet access. Now, once you go to your Facebook account, and here you can see that there is no option in order to turn on the free mode. So what you can do is you can go back and then you need to go back to your settings app. Simply tap on the settings icon over here. Once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down and then tap on general. From here you can tap on iPhone storage and you need to scroll down until you find the Facebook app over here. Simply tap on the Facebook app and then you need to tap on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its document and data safe. Once you have done that, you need to go back to App Store and try reinstalling the app, and that might help you solve the problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.